Hey, welcome. Want to learn how to make this nice, delicious, crispy chicken? Very few ingredients. We only use cornstarch, a little bit of flour, oil, and then we finished it off in the oven. Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making breaded chicken. The last time we made it, we made it with only cornstarch and flour. Today we're going to make it with breading. So we need a binder or something that sticks to the chicken so that we can dredge it through the breadcrumbs. We just get the chicken. Almost forgot the most important part. Okay, so again, it's been seasoned and marinating for 2 days in the refrigerator. These are the last of the 6 legs that I made in the previous video. So we've got 6 in here. Okay, and it's just some sazon, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and other seasonings, which I can't really remember right now, but you put in yours what you like, and you season your chicken the way that you like. So here we are. I'm going to put them in this bowl. I hope this bowl is big enough. And again, welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. And what I'm going to add now is a little bit of mayonnaise, maybe about 2 tablespoons, and this is going to help to form a coating for the chicken. Okay, I think this will be enough. All right, so this is what we're doing. Let me see if you guys are in frame. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. All right. Okay. So you just coat every chicken leg in that mayonnaise. Okay, and it's going to make it easier when you put in your cornstarch and your flour to stick to the chicken. And then it'll be easier for the breadcrumbs to adhere to the chicken also. Alright, so there we go. Okay. We're almost there. I think the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise would be enough. Okay, and it's going to make like a tempura-like coating, which we can fry it just like that. And I'm not going to do a deep frying. It's just going to be frying the chicken just until it's a little golden, and then I'm going to finish it off in the oven. Okay. There we go, we're almost done. Alright, and then let me just rinse my hands off a little bit. Alright, then we're going to add a little bit of flour, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. So I'm just going to finish off what I have in this bag. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. can pre-mix this and sift it if you like, previous to adding to your chicken. But it's, you know, to me, it's still gonna just get mixed in pretty well. It's gonna work the same way. Okay, just gotta now mix your chicken in there, make sure everything gets coated. And we've got, of course, our oil heating up. And you don't need much oil, maybe about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch oil, maybe an inch deep. And because like I said, we're not deep frying these. I mean, you can if you like, but I'm not going to, you know, deep fry them. I'm going to finish them in the oven. Okay, so there we go. Okay, you just want every piece, you know, everything to be mixed in. The flour and the cornstarch to be mixed in. Okay. So you don't see any more of the flour, any of the dry coating. Okay, there you go. Okay, and you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but you see how it's created a coating, okay, and it's like a sticky coating, and that's going to allow you to dredge it through the breadcrumbs so that the breadcrumbs are able to stick to the chicken. Okay, let me wash my hands again. And like I said, you don't have to do this next step, but I just wanted to try out the chicken both ways. Like I did earlier with just the cornstarch and the flour, and now I want to try it with the breadcrumbs, both flour, cornstarch, and breadcrumbs, and the mayonnaise coating. Okay, you can also use salad dressing, you know, or if you want to use an egg, you could scramble up an egg, you want to use that, that's fine too. But I used this method one time and I liked it. It's very simple and easy. It's easier for me to use. Alright, so and we're gonna, let me see, I think we need a little bit more breadcrumbs. Alright, let me make sure you guys can see this. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna now cover the chicken with the breadcrumbs. Okay, there you go, that's one. Okay, we're going to put it over here on the side. Okay, make sure this one is coated properly. Okay, there we go. Another one. Okay. Let's try and get some of the breadcrumbs over here on this side. Okay, we've got another one. And you see how easily the breadcrumbs adhere to the chicken? And that's why I prefer this method. And because it's not runny and it's just thick enough, the mayonnaise, to help everything stick to the chicken. Okay, that's another one, and I think we're going to need more breadcrumbs. Go. In the meantime, our oil is heating up, and you can use whatever oil you like, whatever oil you use for frying, for cooking, it doesn't matter. It's whatever oil that you prefer. Okay, and again, this is a very easy, simple, few ingredients. This is not a lot to do, well, in my eyes. You know, you can make, you don't want to do this for the, you know, for a weeknight meal. You can make it for a Saturday meal. This is a great dinner idea. You have picky kids. I know kids usually like breaded chicken more than they'll like it roasted or any other way. Let me see. You know, if you're looking for an easy chicken recipe, here's one. I mean, I don't feel that it gets any easier than this. You know. Okay, there you go. Okay, there are a million chicken dinner ideas. But, you know, it's good to keep it nice and simple, especially when you come home tired. Okay, that I understand. Okay, and the last one, just a little bit more breading. And the last drumstick. Okay, so nice fried breaded chicken, nice, quick, easy, simple. Okay, you get dinner on the table. Okay, and then you can have whatever size you like. Okay, I was thinking of making some potato wedges for this and maybe some rice, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll just have some salad on the side and eat it with this because I do have some salad in the refrigerator from lunch left over, so I might just do that. Very simple. Alright, so here we go. Let's add our first drumstick. And again, I like to put the skin side down first. Okay, and the oil is hot enough. Alrighty. Okay, here we go, another one. Yeah, I really like the way this coating looks. You know, it's very nice. It got coated very nice. Look how pretty that looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. See? Beautiful. Okay. Alright. There's a big drumstick over here. This one's going to go here. And we have room for one more. Okay, I'm trying to see where the skin is. I think the skin is on this side. Trying to get the skin side down first. I think that's good enough. Alright guys, so we're going to let that fry. Okay, until it's a little golden on one side, and we're going to come turn them over. Then we're going to put them in the oven to finish them off. Alright, so we're going to turn the chicken. Yeah, I see that it's turning a nice golden brown color. Alright, let me get another. I want to thank everyone for visiting. I want to welcome those of you that are new, and welcome back to those of you that are coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate the comments and the likes and all of you that have shared my videos. And have taken the time just out of your busy days just to see one or two of my videos. I really appreciate that. Alright, so now we're going to let it get a little fried on this side, and then we'll come back. Alright, so the chicken looks like it's nice and golden, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this aluminum tray, and then it's going to go into the oven so they can finish cooking fully through. Right, so just gonna go in there. Hopefully I can get all of them in there. Oh boy. Look at that oil. I'm going to turn it off. There we go. I'm just going to cover that. And it's going to go into the oven for about 40 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, so our chicken is done. I just took it out of the oven and this is what it looks like. Okay, and as you can see, it's nice and crispy. It's not like our previous batch that we made. It was a thin coating. This one is a thicker coating. And I could have left it a little bit longer in the oven to let it get crispier, you know, uncovered, but I left it covered the whole time. So, okay. Let's take it and let's put it on our plate. Okay. Okay, so again, I felt that this was relatively simple, very few ingredients, and I hope you guys try this recipe. I think it's a simple enough chicken recipe. For dinner, you can make this for lunch. Weeknight, weekend, it doesn't really matter. All you need to be is in the mood for eating chicken. Okay, so that's what it looks like, guys. Nice crispy coating. Okay, hope you can see that. I hope I'm in frame. And I hope you try this. And if you do, let me know in the comments. Bye-bye.